Jeremy?
Well, we had a very nice day today. It was pleasant temperatures and blue skies all around, and now we're cooling off pretty quickly, and we have another cold night on tap tonight. Not as cold as what we saw a couple weeks ago below freezing, but it'll still be chilly. Take a look outside. We are dark and we are cool. Temperatures are in the 50s across San Antonio and at the Stinson Airport. San Antonio Airport 53, 52 for Stinson. Winds are out of the northwest at 5, so not all that breezy tonight. Barometer steady at 1023 millibars. And the dew point's at 44, and as that temperature drops, the closer the temperature is to the dew point, we get the higher humidity. That's why it's up there at 71% now. But for the most part, it feels dry outside. 46 in Bernie, the cool spot. Double fours for you in Kerrville. 51 in San Marcos. Hallettsville at 52. Gonzales, 54. Seguin. New Braunfels also 54. Further to the west, Rock Springs at 55. Del Rio, 57. Uvalde at an even 50. And Hondo, 49 cool degrees. Humidity forecast, we stay in the 40s or lower for the next few days through the weekend. Then it ramps up heading into Monday and also Tuesday, which is Christmas Eve, and stays that way beyond Christmas. That shows us moisture builds, and eventually it'll be in the form of a few showers. Here is the radar. Nothing to talk about here. We are rain free. This is the night mode, so we're not seeing any clouds, but we do have some low clouds off to the west. But for the most part, high pressure is here, bringing us the dry weather. You can see on the water vapor imagery where you have the orange, that's where the driest air is. That was when the cold front came through yesterday. To the north, we do have some moisture. You see where the blues are, the brighter whites. That's where the water vapor imagery shows the highest amounts of moisture is in the atmosphere. And you can see a lot of it dries out as it tries to head down to the south. So we're going to have a few dry days, but things will begin to get juiced up as we head closer to Christmas. Drought monitor is updated every Thursday, and it's been expanded a bit further west of the hill country, closer to Uvalde and northeastward towards Austin. That's the extreme. Outside of that, we have severe. Outside of that, moderate. So most of South Texas in drought conditions, and unfortunately not a lot of measurable rain in the forecast. Here's the futurecast starting out at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Drive time, we're looking at mostly clear skies. Temperatures for most of us in the 40s tomorrow morning, some upper 30s in the hill country. Heading through the day, notice not much in the way of cloud cover whatsoever. A lot of sunshine, temperatures in about the same spot as today, maybe a degree or two cooler. And then as we head into your Saturday morning, we're just going to hit the repeat button once again. Temperatures drop a little bit more, though, into the 30s for the hill country for sure. San Antonio likely in the 30s as well. Our southern counties low 40s. And then by the end of the day, lots of sunshine, but cooler high temperatures, mostly low to mid 60s. So tonight we've got those mostly clear skies, light winds out of the northeast to northwest at 5 to 10 and a low of 45 degrees. Tomorrow we'll head up to 63 by noon and 68 by 5 o'clock. Lots of sunshine throughout the day. 14-day forecast showing that cooler high of 63 Saturday. Sunday and Monday, more clouds. By Monday, we're up to 74 for a high. Christmas Eve, we had to bump up the rain chance to 40% with a high of 72. 20% chance of showers on Christmas Day, a high of 74. Definitely not a white Christmas here. Slight chance for showers continues the next day. And towards the end of the forecast, you see that Happy New Year. If you're looking ahead to New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, we're looking good. Highs in the mid to upper 60s. So rain on Christmas, it could be worse, right, Nate? We could have ice.
That's correct. Well, I got a little bit of ice and some frost coming at you.